So good evening. Myself Major Sharma, and my today's topic is word association test (WAT). So next slide. So word association test. Word association testing is one of the psychological techniques in which the subconscious behavior of an individual is tested. So this is one part of SSB examination. So in this test, our psychological techniques are tested. Yes, sir. Next slide. So, about the test. In this test, a word will be displayed in front of the candidate for 15 seconds, and she is required to use that word to form a meaningful sentence. So, the one word will be displayed in front of us, and we have to write a meaningful sentence within 15 seconds. Based on each word, there may be different ideas related to that word in the candidate's mind. But she must write the first spontaneous response. So, what is the meaning of spontaneous response? So, the first thought which came into our mind, into our subconscious mind. So, we have to write that thought in the on the paper. Yes, the test consists of 60 words that are displayed on the projector for a period of 15 seconds per word, in which you have to think as well as write. The total time allotted is 15 minutes. Yes, sir. Next slide. So why is this test conducted? The words in the WAT are chosen in such a way that every word can be taken as noun, verb, adverb, or adjective, depending on the candidate's thought process. The time for each response is less, so the students write the first response that he thinks. So we have to write the first spontaneous response which came into our subconscious mind, because there is very less time allotted to us. These responses are then measured against the officer like qualities that each candidate must possess. The psychologist judges a candidate's personality through each response. So there are some psychological judges which test our personality through each response. Yes, sir, next slide. So here are some tips for WAT. The sentence should be framed in such a way, a manner that they show optimism, infuse leadership, honesty, responsibility, etc. The sentence should not display negative thoughts like fear, cowardice, carelessness. You can use any form of the word as shown. So we may use adverb, adjective, noun, pronoun, anything. You can also write a phrase, a feeling based on the word shown. The use of word not, cannot, do not are not allowed is only a myth. So we can use the word like not, cannot, and do not. One can use them as long as he makes a proper sentence. So as the words not, cannot, and do not are negative sentences, so we may use it till we make a proper sentence from that. Yes, sir. Next slide. So here is one example. Here are two examples of the negative words. For example, a leader does not make a partial decisions. So here does not is a negative word, but we can use it to make a meaningful sentence. So second example is one cannot perform well without proper training. So here again cannot is a negative word, but we may use it to form a meaningful sentence. Yes, sir. Next slide. Don'ts of WAT. Don't try to frame a positive sentence on purpose. Keep your sentences as natural and as spontaneous as possible. So we have to keep our sentences natural and spontaneous as possible. Don't muck up the sentences from any other resources. So we don't have to mug up or refer a book or any other resources to make the sentences. Avoid making most of the sentences with general knowledge. So we have to avoid general knowledge to make the sentences. Don't make too many sentences related to defense. So yeah, this is one kind of defense examination, but we don't have to use some defense words in this. Don't use the words should, could, would, as it shows a suggestion or advice. Don't use I think or should. Yes, and next slide. So my next topic is how to improve WAT. As the time given in the exam is very less, here are some ways by which you can improve WAT. Make sentences as short as possible, ideally using 4 5 words, so we don't have to make the sentences long like 2 3 lines. We just have to use some 4 5 words. Make sentences based on incidents of real life, so we have to use some incidents of the real life, and we have to make the sentences. Practice WAT with the help of a timer. So if you are giving if you are preparing for the SSB examination, and in this you if you are preparing for WAT, you must prepare with the help of a timer. For negative words, try to find the reason or effect of that thing and make sentence with that. Yes, and next slide. So for example, for betray means to cheat. We can use friends do not betray one another, corrupt people betray, and last is trustworthy people do not betray. Yes, sir, next slide. So here are some sample of WAT. I will read it for you. Break. Records are meant to be broken. So we may use any kind of verb or any adjective, noun, and adverb. Cheat. Daredevils cheat death. Deteriorate. Corruption deteriorates the economy. Failure. Failure is one step towards success. Hesitation. Practice overcomes hesitation. Love. Every citizen loves his motherland. Youth. Youth is the future of the nation. Escape. Courageous people never escape from the obstacles. Mend. Mending relationships binds people. Worry. Worrying after the exam is futile. Yes, sir, next slide. So here are some words and their meanings. So first word is agree. To say yes to something. Average. The normal standard or amount or quality. Bless. To ask for God's help and protection for somebody or something. Ban. To officially say that something is not allowed. Custody. The legal right or duty to take care of the somebody or something. Yes, and next slide. So thank you for giving me such a wonderful chance.